A currency index measures the evolution or strength in one major currency relative to a basket of the other major currencies. With a single currency pair, for example pound sterling to Japanese yen, an uptrend would symbolize a strengthening of the British pound versus the Japanese yen, information based on only those two currencies, and vice versa. Therefore, by monitoring just the pound sterling to Japanese yen, a trader knows how the GBP is behaving versus the JPY, but not how the GBP and JPY currencies are behaving independently. With a currency index, however, an uptrend in the British pound, GBP, would indicate a strengthening of the British pound relative to the entire basket of 7 other major currencies, i.e. Euro, USD, JPY, CAD, AUD, NZD, and CHF. Similarly, in the case of a downtrend, it would indicate a weakening of the GBP relative to the entire basket of 7 other major currencies. Basket composition and parity. Each currency index is calculated relative to a basket of currency pairs, chosen such that each pair contains the concerned currency in either the base or quote component. The pairs combined include all 8 major currencies. Where the concerned currency is the quote component of a pair, the parity of the pair needs to be reversed. For example, when calculating the GBP currency index, euro to pound sterling needs a parity of -1, making it euro to pound sterling to adjust for relative GBP strength. For example, the basket of currency pairs to calculate the EUR currency index is euro to US dollar, euro to pound sterling, euro to Australian dollar, euro to New Zealand dollar, euro to Japanese yen, euro to Swiss franc. EUR/CAD. It contains the concerned currency, EUR, and the other major currencies, i.e. USD, GBP, JPY, AUD, NZD, CHF, CAD. As each currency pair has euro as the base component, the parity of each pair in this basket is +1. Everyone thinks indicator helps you to find the right signals in the Forex market. But this is not entirely true. Some of the pro traders often use the indicator only to assess certain parameters of the market. Those who knew, might not have heard about the currency correlation factor or USD index. The US dollar index is the measure of the overall value of green buck strength against the major currency pairs. But it's not possible to analyze the US dollar index while placing trades at the volatile market. To make things easier, the brilliant coders have developed the currency indices indicator for MT4. The currency index widget for websites offers a view of the general trends on the currency market. It tracks the performance of each of the chosen currencies against a basket of its most liquid peers by aggregating the moves of its exchange rates into easy-to-understand Forex indexes. Thus each index represents a string of average changes of the rates compared to the closing prices for a fixed base date. These changes, or returns, are expressed in percentages, with the values of the index on the base day set to 100%. Consequently, a value below 100% implies a decrease relative to the base date, and a value above 100% shows a rise. The currencies available in the widget are the euro, EUR, the pound, GBP, the Swiss franc, CHF, the US dollar, USD, and the yen, JPY. The pairs used in calculations of a specific index always contain the corresponding currency as the base currency, even if the standard notation has it listed second. Thus an increase in the index always points to the strengthening of the currency against its peers, while a decrease indicates a weakening. The widget allows to set the desired base date, and indicate the period of time that will be displayed on the chart by choosing the start date, which is the date of the first shown value, and the number of days to follow it. He Forex currency index indicator measures and shows the strength of major currencies for each time frame. The readings are provided for the following currencies: USD, EUR, GBP, CHF, JPY, CAD, AUD, NZD. That gauge will be helpful in confirmation of trade decisions and entry points. It fits all kinds of time frames and currency pairs. The indicator is displayed directly on the main trading chart. The default settings can be modified directly from the Input tab. Feel free to experiment with the settings and parameters to fit your personal preferences. How to set up the Forex currency index indicator in MT4. Installation guide: copy and paste the Forex currency index, X4 or Forex currency index, MQ4 indicator files into the MQL4 folder of the MetaTrader 4 trading platform. You can gain access to this folder by clicking the top menu options, which goes as follows: file greater than open data folder greater than MQL4 greater than indicators, paste here. Now go to the left side of your MT4 terminal. In the navigator find the gauge name, right-click it and select Attach to the chart. The currency strength meter indicator, that is, the currency strength index or meter, plots all currencies charts in real time and displays the strength of currencies in relation to each other. Ticker symbols of financial instruments are displayed in the upper left corner of the indicator window. Symbol colors correspond to the color of the chart in the indicator window. The currency strength measurement scale is built vertically and contains values from 0 to 100. The closer the chart is to 100, the stronger the currency, uptrend. When this happens, it makes sense to consider the big picture of the market. So,